the thing with macros is, depende yan sa need ninyo. So, I don't think I have the capacity to customize it for you. So, maganda kung alam nyo kung paano siya gamitin on your own. Okay? For example, gawin lang natin to, no? Paano ko hindi time in, time out ang gusto ko? Ang gusto ko is productivity. Okay? So, instead of going to me and asking, Coach, paano kung meron akong specific task, tapos yun yung gusto ko i-time? Ganito lang yun kadali. So, ang gagawin nyo ngayon is for example, ito ang ating tasks, no? I-unlock lang natin yung ating sheet. Meron tayong, ang task nyo is, kunyari is, purchase, sell, record. Kaya ito yung task natin, no? So, pwede tayo gumamit ng data validation dito. So, tayo sa imbis na employee number, ang gagawin ko dito is task. Tapos, start, finish, and then total hours. Ito, kung hindi kailangan, pwede mo na siya i-delete, no? You can just delete this. Pero for now, ignore na lang natin yung part na to. And then I just go in here, lagyan ko siya ng data validation para mapipili niya lang yung data doon. So, click data validation there. Make it a list. And then, ang source ko is itong ating tatlong cell na yan. Click OK. Then, I can hide this. For example, and then, balik tayo, no? Review. Protect ulit natin yung sheet. And then, i-clear natin yung ating summary, no? Reset. For example, ito yung ating time, no? Save. Task natin. So, sell. Kaya nag-sell ka, save. And then, after mo mag-sell, nag-purchase ka naman. Ito, kaya steps lang siya or kung ano man yung mga tasks ninyo, no? Timingan nyo. Gaano ba katagal mag-record? Isang binili. So, time out. And then, save. Tapos move ka na sa next mong gagawin. Nagre-record ka naman ngayon. So, ang ginagawa mo, time in ka ulit. After nun, you time out, and then you save. So, all those tasks within the day, kunyari, pinapa-itemize ng boss ninyo, anong ginagawa nyo within the day, you can send this. Diba? You can export that. Kasi meron ka ng breakdown kung ano yung ginagawa nyo. Which is good for mga tasks na, series of tasks na gusto mong kaya gusto i-prove na may in-automate kayo, mas better, mas faster siya, pwede yung gawin siyang tracker. Pero again, depende na yan sa pagta-translate nyo or sa pag-edit nyo. That's why I want you guys to explore on your own. Okay? So, yan yung ating walkthrough ng ating file.